How to put your birthday on Snapchat. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to put or add your birthday on Snapchat. So in order to put or add your birthday on Snapchat, you can only do it limited times. So first of all, you need to open up or log in into your Snapchat account. Once logged in, tap the Bitmoji icon from the top left hand side corner. After that, go ahead and tap the gear icon from the bottom right, and while you're on this page you can see birthday. So as you can see right on top, there's a statement stating that carefully choose, you can only change your birthday a limited number of times. When you have crossed the limited number of times, then you'll not be able to make changes. So in order to make changes with the date of birth, just go ahead and tap the birth date, and once you've done that, you can just go ahead and select the date of birth accordingly and tap the continue button. Once you've done that, go ahead and tap on OK, and as soon as you do that, you've successfully added or put your birth date on Snapchat. So in this way you can add date of birth or birthday on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.